Hi, in this video, I want to share 5 reasons to start an online business and work from home. So let's cue the intro and then dive into the content. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So I want to share 5 reasons to start an online business and work from home. So the first reason is that you don't have to quit your day job to do this. The great thing about an online business is that it's something that can be a side hustle for you that you can build up on the side while you're working your day job, while you're bringing home that steady paycheck and earning benefits, to support your family. And that leads into reason number 2, which is that with your online business, you can supplement the income from your day job. So now your online business, you can add to your income so that then you can use that to pay off debt or build up some savings or save up for something nice or reinvest back into your business. So then the third reason why you should start your online business so you can work from home is that once you're able to transition out of the day job and into doing your business online full time, then you have more time freedom. Okay? Because if you want to be able to spend time with your family, if you want to do the things that you enjoy, if you want to, have your kid get sick and not have to worry about taking PTO from work or getting leave or something like that, then an online business, once you have that set up and you're not having to work anymore at a day job, then you can kind of set your own hours and decide when you need to take that time. And now let's get into the 4th reason to build your online business and work from home. So that 5th reason is that you can earn passive income, which gives you time and money freedom. We're going to talk a little bit about time freedom, but money freedom is you don't have to worry about working 8 hours and then getting paid for 8 hours like you do in a day job, right? That's active income. Passive income is where you can continue to earn money on the same. Oh, there we go. You can continue to earn money on the same activity over and over again. For example, this video that I'm filming right now, and then I'm going to upload onto YouTube, you could be watching this video, to the same day that I record it, or you could be watching it a year from when I record it and upload it. It might even be 5 years later. So when you have an online business that you set up correctly to earn passive income, then you can continue to earn money down the road from the activities that you did years ago. And so that passive income can allow you to have that time and money freedom so that you can take a vacation for a week or 2 weeks and then still have your business continue to earn you money even while you're not actively working in your business, because you did the work ahead of time and you set it up to earn passive income ahead of time. And so I don't want you to get this idea that passive income is about you don't work and you get money. No, it's about you do the work ahead of time and you set it up so that you keep earning money from that activity, from the same things that you did. Okay, now this brings me to the 5th reason to start an online business and work from home, is that with an online business, a lot of people feel that in their day jobs, they don't really have the impact and the influence, and they don't really feel the sense of fulfillment from their jobs. They're just doing a job so they can, go home, sleep, wake up again the next day so they can pay their bills. But with an online business, you can structure it so that you're really fulfilling your purpose, you're getting your message out there, you're inspiring people, you're helping people, you're doing something that you're passionate about, and that really gives you a deep sense of joy and fulfillment and satisfaction from the work that you're doing. So I know this video was pretty quick. I went over those 5 pretty simple reasons why you should start your own online business and work from home. Now, if you want to learn how to actually do this, how to start a business from home, check out the link down below this video in the description. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.